I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and this is Thursday, November 11th. Okay, we're looking at Nvidia. Here's why. The company reported earnings after the bell, and the stock is up. Well, let's look and see. You can see like 15%, like really. You look at the intraday stuff, you can see what happens. I should say the after hours stuff. So this company reported earnings that actually surprised to the upside. Here's the thing though, I would be inclined to either sell into this or keep a really tight stop. Probably err on the side of the tight stop. Here's why. I remember when they reported really strong earnings here too, and the stock gapped up about half of what it did this time around, and it just kept going. And then they reported earnings again, and this time it gapped up, drifted sideways, but ultimately it's just continued to move higher. So why call the top on this? Okay, now that's a reason for putting in a trailing stop. Now, why call the top in this? I'll tell you why. You can see how this thing is extended. I mean, it's really pulled away. And at some point, at some magical moment in time, this stock is going to get ahead of itself. So when you look at the weekly chart and then you see that the stock is up here, I mean, this is what this thing is going to look like tomorrow. It's going to open up right up there. And doesn't this seem like a pretty good time to be selling? Right at around 80 bucks? Hey, unless you want to hold it to 100. That's fine if you want to do that. I would suggest this. Forget about this as a reference for stops. Go to the daily chart. If this stock even pulls back to say 73.50 or so, that's the top of here, it's probably going lower. So I would even have my stop tighter than that. Basically what I'm trying to do is talk you into selling the stock into strength. But if you're long, let's just do it this way. Upper Bollinger Band, okay, 75.43. Let's edge it up and say it's 76. If this stock pulls back to 76, you don't want to be in this stock because it's probably going to continue to correct, because the only reason it would be down, think about it, only reason it would be down this far after such great numbers is because everybody else is selling into strength. Don't not be at that party. Me, I would even take it a step further than that. Again, I'm trying to talk you in to selling this stock into strength. See the kind of move that it's had? I would even go 77. If this stock falls below 77, I would be selling it tomorrow. That's my take on it. Members, over at the strategy session, I'm going to show you what's working and what's not and where you need to be, and it's probably going to surprise you.